Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am here with the new off-campus recruitment drive from the TSS Consultancy Private Limited. They are hiring for the junior business are having up to 1 year of experience. You can also apply. Okay, this is full-time position, and as I said earlier, job location is Mumbai. Company description and they have provided the company information here. You can read this one. Job description: what will be your roles and responsibilities? Change management, new requirements of client. You should be like understanding the client needs and objectives, coming up with the proposed solution to meet client needs, then writing business requirement and proposed solution, interacting with the development team to explain them the new requirement, then testing or help test the new requirement to ensure it meets the client objective, and then helping or preparing release notes or user manual for the new features developed, then preparing process flows, wireframes and mockups, and gap analysis. As well as client interaction, you will do the interaction with the client with the training and implementation and other solutions. You need to provide the solutions, or you need to meet the client requirement. You need to work on that. Provide training to clients about how to use the solution and get the desired output on site as well as off site. Helping configure the system to generate new rules and alerts. Tracking projects, ensuring the implementation of the solution is on track, and coordinating with the other teams if it gets delayed. Okay, experience: 0 to 1 year of experience as business analyst. You will if you are applying as a fresher, then your job role will be junior business analyst. Suppose if you are having up to 1 year of experience, then you will be working as a business analyst. Qualifications required: graduate BTech in electronics and telecommunication, computer IT, then BCA in computers, then BSc in computers or similar field. Additional information what they have provided: to identify opportunities for automation within software processes, design and execute QA tests using script that automatically test functionality. You need to run tests for databases, system, network, application, hardware and software, and identify bugs and quality issues in the development. This support you need to provide. You need to write test cases. What does software tester do? You need to write those test cases. You need to run test case for database, system, network, application, hardware and software. You need to identify bugs. Okay, so salary range will be, they will provide you up to 2 to 2.5 lakh per annum. So dear candidates, please apply for this drive. The company name is TSS Consultancy Private Limited, and job location will be Mumbai. So if you are interested, then please apply, and thanks for watching this video.